All right, guys, I got to show you something sweet today. It's tax time. We've been busy as heck. But if you're looking for a work truck, you might need to look for a work van. We got this GMC 2500. And look at this. You fit a whole tool shed in here. Come in here. Look at this. This is what I'm talking about. Come in here. Might look like you're in prison, but you're not. This is freedom. Check this out. It's got 141,000 miles on it. Look at this. Look at this. All my hands guys out there, this is perfection. This is heaven on earth. That's what you're looking at. Heaven on earth. So many tools, drills, whatever you need. You fit a lawnmower back here. A lawnmower. Come and get it today.